Okay, this is a problem from your textbook. It's actually problem number 4. We're given some numbers here for an insurance company for some policy. Now, it could be auto policy, it could be life insurance, it could be probably not life insurance, but some accident policy. And we're asked to compute their expected cost for the insurance company. Because what we're trying to figure out is, okay, what should they charge? Because the insurance company wants to make money. So we're given these different amounts, and each amount has with it its own probability. 70% of the time, as we can see, we're not going to have to pay anything. 20% of the time we're going to have to pay $20,000 on average, and so on. And we'd like to compute the cost for the insurance company. So what we do when we find expected value is we take the outcome, the amount of the claim to the nearest $20,000, times its probability. Now we have to keep in mind, for the insurance company, we can do this one of two ways. We can treat these guys as negative, or just realize, hey, it's the cost to them, so we can treat them as positive. It just really depends on the context that you want to go into. So we just want to take each one of these. So the outcome, $0 times its probability of 70%. And I'm just going to keep them positive, $20,000. They'll have to pay that out 20% of the time. And so on, we keep adding them up. 40,000 times 6%, 60,000 times 2%, 80,000 times 1%, 100,000 times 1%. Okay. And we can total all those up to find out for one individual what is their expected cost for covering that individual, given these payment outcomes and the different probabilities. So now you can just head over to a calculator, add all those up, and when we total that all up, we should get $9,400. So it's going to cost them $9,400 for each person they cover. Now the second question we want to ask, if they want to make $150 per policy, what should they charge? Well, if they want to make $150 per policy, it costs them $9,400 for each policy they have. They want to be $150 ahead. So hopefully you can see that they need to charge that $9,400 to cover their cost, plus $150, so $9,550 is what they need to charge for this policy. Okay. So this is just another example with expectation. Hopefully it helps you get a little handle on how it works.